So this is how you make money on Instagram, right? This is how you can start a business, scale it out, eventually quit your job, but like, hey, it depends on you, right? So even if you have just 100 followers, right? This is for Instagram, but you can do it for like Snapchat, Facebook. Dude, on Facebook, you have uncles there, dude. You've never even heard of them, dude. They're like, dude, I've seen you in your diapers, and you're like, huh? It's kind of weird, man. Okay. So just in the let's just play in the realm of multiples of 10, right? You can use a $1,000 product. You can sell it to one person. This is just keep it in the context of a month, right? Will $1,000 change your life? No. But will $1,000 like push you to the next level? Because I know it'll push me. I'm like, you have a grant? Yeah, then I'll take it. Okay. $1,000, you can just sell it to just one fucking person, and you'll get 1,000, right? If you have if you sell something for $100, you just need to sell it for 10 people. You'll have 1,000. You sell a $10 product to 100 people, you'll get 1K, and then you can work around multiples of 5 or something. Just play the scale game, man. You're in the bus stand, you're walking. Dude, you turn around, you see 3,000-4,000 people just walking around like dummies, like, oh yeah. Look, you live in a planet that's like full of money. If you can't get a house or car right now, at this time before it gets like super saturated, you're missing out. You're scrolling TikTok, watching these dumb dances, dude, while you should be pushing out your content, whatever you need to expose yourself, man. You'll meet people when you do this. Oh, dude, just be happy. Oh, dude, money doesn't make you happy. They're justifying for quitting. When they go to New World and MH and one bag costs like $200, and he's like, oh shit, I'm happy. No, dude, you're broke. Your kids starve that night, bro. That's what happens when you don't put this in. You just do this with 100 followers. Some girls have like 1,000, like 12,000, 20,000 people, dude. Sell some shit, man. Stop like listening to university lectures. Dude, I know people like that who talk a big game, but like, dude, yeah, show me. If the money doesn't make you happy, show me. Show me how much you got. Show me how you live. Show me if you've retired your parents in. Show me. No, you can't. This is why the big players, they don't associate with these little thinkers, man. Because when they want to go out and do something big, the little thinkers, man, chalo crook, man. Like, how dumb is that, man? You're watching TikTok, Facebook and all that shit. Dude, it's getting you nowhere, man. Use it. Use it on the ducks. Push your content out, right? I sell fucking flowers, dude. This whole model does not work if you don't help people. You need to come from a place of service. Dude, if this is Raj and this is Himanshu, he'll go to Raj and be like, yo, bro, buy my shit. I help him, not just by giving him something and just taking money. Yeah, that's cool. How many times can you do that? Once. This is how you build a business so you can continuously grow it. There's 800,000 people here, man. You're telling me you can't make $1,000 in a month? Forget a month, you can't do it in a day? Dude, you will change the trajectory of your life, your family's life. Poor people are selfish. Never forget that. Whenever you tell a poor person like an idea, they'll be like, man, let's Netflix, bro. Let's watch Pavitra Rishta. Dude, you are full of shit. I know personal bakers, right? They do these bakeries from home. I love that. But their main personal account is on private. No, man, you ain't an entrepreneur, man, with 300 followers. You're a bitch. You can't scale out. First rule of business: money follows attention. Money follows attention. Period. End of story. That's it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to go build out Amazon. Huh? What are you doing scrolling TikTok? What are you doing? It makes you dumber. I hate it. For me, 3 years ago, I hated reading books, man. My sister used to be like, oh man, I read Harry Potter, man. The books are way better than the movies. Man, I hated those people, man. I'm like, oh, dude, shut up. I meditated. Oh, man, shut up. Right now, dude, if I don't, like, spend some time on myself reading, not this 50 Shades Grey bullshit, but to improve, like, books give you strategy, man. Not this high school bullshit. Raman said, what? How is that gonna help, man? You should have quit high school and university a long time ago. These people are broke. If you have to be an accountant, lawyer, doctor, you have to go. And that too, not for the information. That's just like, you have to know laws and how to practice surgery. But it's just like they're certifying you, yo, this guy won't kill you. But if you're in anything else, man, do this. The place where I used to work for, the guy, he used to sell a bean for like $1 or something. Dude, he sold like 50, 60 like little packets for $1. He's made $60 sitting on his fucking ass. Every day. Round that up to like 20 work days. You do the math, I can't do the math, I'm dumb. And the first step is like, dude, admit I'm poor. I admit that I'm poor and I want some money. Because I know what to do with it. I can help people. I can grow this thing out. Like, I'm not selfish, I want to grow this out so I can help people, man. Like, think big, man. Stop being poor. Done.